one of the things we pull on pretty much every incident, and that is what we call the irons. It is a flathead axe and a Halligan tool. You can use the one in concert with the other to do what you need to do. We can open doors, we can open roofs with them. They're just very multi-purpose. All right, this is the opposite front compartment. 2 saws in here. They each do a dramatically different function. The partner saw, which is like a circular saw, pretty much anything you needed to cut through, it will cut through. Next we have the chainsaw. So the businesses, they'll have like a wood built up roof, or your home is going to have studs or trusses over wood decking. This is where the chainsaw works better than the partner combination saw. This is the Honda light generator. It takes gas and turns it into electricity. And then also, you can see it's got outlets. So you can run electrical equipment off of it. So this is the officer's rear compartment. We keep a lot of the odds and ends back here. Rope bags for when you're going into large businesses, so that way you have a way out, or anytime you're really going to need rope. Oil dry for car crashes, things that leak oil, and you need to soak them up. And then we've got tarps back here. This is where we keep the ladders. This is what they call an attic ladder, which folds up. So when you're taking it inside a house, you can make it through doorways and up stairwells and things like that to get to the attic. It comes in handy in the apartments also. And then we've got what we call a pike pole. These are used for tearing out drywall. You can see they're dirty and they got tar and drywall and dirt. This is essentially it's a demolition hook. Oftentimes we have to go into the ceiling, tear out the drywall from the ceiling, tear out the drywall from the wall, make sure that the fire either hasn't gotten behind it, or when it has, that the fire is put out there. The back compartment. Another apartment pack, this one in a bag. We use this to kind of blow smoke and make visibility better for us in an apartment. Driver's side rear compartment. This is the hydraulic generator. This is what we use to run the jaws of life. There are 2 basic ones. The one is the jaws of life that you know of, or the spreaders, and they do just that. They articulate out and articulate closed. And these are the cutters. Just a big pair of scissors. Driver's side mid compartment. A big toolbox. We've got bolt cutters, we've got a sledgehammer, we've got water keys, hydrant wrenches, pipe wrenches, cheater bar. The driver's side front compartment, also known as the engineer's compartment. We've got a different nozzle here. We've got reducers, what we call cheaters. Pretty much any situation you encounter at a fire scene, then you've got something you can deal with it with. Then in here is the onboard generator, and that generator operates the scene lights, whether it be a fire, whether it be a car accident, anywhere where we're going to need light. And then this here is the monitor mount. So the deluge gun that we shot water off of earlier, we can actually take that off the top of the truck, hook it to this, and then take it closer to the fire. So sometimes we just can't get the truck close enough and you've got to throw a lot of water. That's when this comes in handy. And that's our Monday check. We do that to make sure that regardless of the situation, we're fully prepared and that everything is ready to go.